Hi, my name is Annie Heller, and I'm one of the attorneys here at Sally Morin Law. I'm here to talk to you today about being a passenger in a rideshare accident, which can be complicated because there are multiple levels of insurance, multiple drivers, multiple vehicles involved, and when you are injured as a passenger, you're not always sure where you fit in the situation. So for example, we get calls all the time from passengers who are involved in rideshare accidents, and a good example would be you're sitting in the back of a Lyft or an Uber vehicle, you're heading through an intersection, your driver is driving perfectly fine, and suddenly they are T-boned by somebody who ran a red light. This is a very serious accident, so you're lucky to be alive. And after the dust settles, you start to wonder, well, who do I make a claim against? Who's going to compensate me for my injuries? Who do I even talk to about my accident? So in this specific situation, you would be dealing with the other party, the person who hit the Ubers or Lyft vehicles insurance. And whether or not they have insurance is another investigation. Luckily, rideshare companies have something called uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. Here in California, the minimum coverage that all drivers must have is $15,000. However, that's likely not going to cover you, be enough coverage in a situation like this because it's a serious accident. So as you can see, this is a complicated scenario and one that you're going to have to sort of piece together to figure out how to move forward with your claim. So there are three things that you can do as a passenger in a rideshare accident to help yourself. Number one, if you are in an accident, a serious accident, and you need medical treatment, get help right away. Call an ambulance, go to the hospital, do it as soon as possible. The longer you wait to treat your injuries, the worse off they will be, and the harder it will be for us to piece together your injuries later when we are dealing with things like a demand letter, going to the insurance company. Number two, get help, get professional help. Don't go at it alone. Don't try to do this by yourself. Call an experienced rideshare accident attorney. Let them lead you through the process, help you understand the way that multiple levels of insurance do work together in a case like this. And number three, pay attention to the details. A lot of times when people are in Uber and Lyft vehicles sitting in the back, they are not paying attention to what's going on. They're either on their phone, they're talking, they're listening to music, but it's very important to pay attention to what's going on inside and outside of your vehicle. Is your driver following the traffic laws? Is the driver driving safely? If not, and you're not comfortable, it's okay to let the driver know that you're not comfortable and you like to get out. Either way, it's important to pay attention to the details because when an accident happens, your story and the information that you can provide will be very, very important. So I encourage you to look at what's happening around you and make sure you understand what's happened during the accident. Like I said, again, number one, get medical treatment right away. Number two, find yourself a professional rideshare accident attorney who has a lot of experience. And number three, pay attention to the details of the accident. If you have any questions, feel free to call our office. And that's it.